Hi guys, today I'm making vanilla funfetti cupcakes. Mix together 1 1/3 cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and set it aside. In a large bowl, add in 125 grams of butter, half a cup of oil, and 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and mix it together until light and fluffy. Then mix in 4 eggs, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Add in 1 cup of flour and mix it well, then half the milk, the second cup of flour, all the remaining milk, and then the third and final cup of flour. Mix it on low until no dry flour remains and make sure not to overmix. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the bowl, then add in half a cup of rainbow sprinkles. Mix it together well, then line a 12-hole muffin pan with some paper liners and divide the batter evenly. Fill them about half to 3/4 of the way up. Leave them plain or add on some additional rainbow sprinkles. Bake at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!